In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount pop-up to your Big Cartel website. It's a great way to boost your sales and engage customers by offering them a special deal directly on your site. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to set this up seamlessly. First, you want to head over to your Big Cartel dashboard. This is where you'll begin the process, and it's the central hub for managing all aspects of your online store. Once you're logged in and on your dashboard, you'll see a multitude of options, but what we want to focus on is getting to the discounts section. Now navigate and click on the discounts tab. It's typically located in the main menu, and from here, you can manage all your discount offers. Clicking on this will lead you to a page where you can see any existing discounts and the option to create new ones. Next, you'll click on Add a Discount. This action will direct you to a new page where you can set up the specifics of your discount code. It's a straightforward interface designed to make the process painless, even for those who are new to e-commerce management. On this new page, you have the opportunity to create your discount code. In the description box, you should add a brief explanation of the discount you're offering. Is it a percentage off or a specific dollar amount? Perhaps it's a buy one, get one free deal. Whatever it is, make sure it's clear and enticing, as this will be communicated directly to your customers. You'll also notice a drop-down menu on this page. Go ahead and click it, and you'll see various options related to your discount strategy. This allows you to tailor the discount to fit your marketing objectives, whether that means applying it to all products or just a select few, or perhaps deciding if it's a limited time offer. After you've entered all your discount details, take a moment to double check everything for accuracy. Ensuring there are no errors is crucial, because once customers start using the discount, you want everything to run smoothly without a hitch. Finally, once you're satisfied that everything is correct, go ahead and click the Save button. This will confirm and apply your new discount code. Now your discount is live and ready for customers to use. By following these simple steps, you'll have a compelling discount pop-up on your Big Cartel website. Not only will this potentially increase your sales, but it's also an excellent way to build customer loyalty